Going on YouTube? I can't believe it's this hot today. My goodness, this is beautiful, man. This is like the last day where it's in the 20s in my area. It's so sad. Holy you know what? I don't think I did my straps. Sorry about the wind noise. Messing around with the mic on the GoPro again. There are so many different setups, so I just realized when you hook up the media mod to your GoPro and you put an external mic on it, it gives you these options like whether you want to run a standard mic, a powered mic, a standard mic plus, blah blah blah. And I messed around with that, and it looked like I only had access to one setting, really. I mean, for my setup at least. But then I realized that there's also a setting, or two of them, when it comes to the type of audio that you want. So like for instance, there's one that's called wind noise, and I mean, self-explanatory. You think while you're vlogging and you want to not have the wind overtake the audio, that you should have this option on. But I'm starting to realize that option is actually causing some issues in my recording. It's causing it realizes that, oh, look at that, nice. What I've got, you see, I'm using shorts, like it's that nice in October. And geez, feel like it's summer. What the option was called. There's a secondary option. I know one of the choices that it gives you is raw audio, which is what I've selected, but normally I have it on something else. Again, not dissing the GoPro or nothing like that, but these options are made for different types of setups, I would assume. With the external mic and the mic in my helmet, it just wasn't cutting it. So this is the first video I do with the updated setup. So we'll take a look, do a few, just go for a few minutes and see if it sounds better. Very ends or edges of the screen. So it's a learning curve, right? Learning curve. Oh man, October. This is probably like maybe there's 2-3 more days, if that I would say would be worth taking the bike out. After that, that's it. I'm so sad. I'm pretty upset. Have to go down like that. that. I should have been on the ground. But man, it's beautiful outside. Like, jeez. Feels like a summer day. There's a few people out right now, right? It's really nice. So what are you guys up to? What's going on? When is your riding season ending? Comment down below, let me know. Mine? Next week is probably the last week I get to take the bike out. Yo, that Honda is something else. I don't even want to get close to that car, man. Look how impatient they are. Killer, you know? It's amazing. I'm not freezing. I'm actually hot. Sweating. 20 degrees in October. It's in November. Oh, the Mercedes got upset. My gosh, what is going on with people? Why do you have to change lanes like right there at the light? Sketch. Oh gosh. A few people out here. I was stopping, I couldn't wave. This road. Three-lane road, freshly paved. You see that? Oh, there's the bike right over there. Doing the loop-to-loop. I'll probably right behind. I'm bored. I don't think I ever gone this way. again. Come on, bro. There's some space. I'm gonna turn around soon. What is this area? Oh, okay. Mushroom farm. Okay. Some nice turns here. The horse. Another roundabout. You know what? I don't think I've been here before. Oh, Apple. Okay. I see where I'm at now. Oh, another biker. Turn almost, going upwards. Oh, that's insane. My gosh. You know what, you going, I don't know for you guys, but you go into some twisties areas that you've never been there before. Oh, look at that, like a curve downwards is nothing, like I ain't never been here, like I gotta slow down a bit more. Oh, like I never been, I need to learn this area before I go all crazy in this, but that's pretty nice. Like look at that, they're like S-turns, but we're like uphill, downhill. I don't know this area, guys, so I'm just cruising. Oh my gosh, look at all the leaves. Walker's line already. Okay. Like, look at that. What is that? What are you doing? Enjoyed and had fun. I hope you guys all had fun for 2022. 2022's been okay so far. Sand over there. What's going on? Oh, it's from that tractor right there. Old man's doing his work. I'm gonna take this road. So sad that it's the end of the riding season. Maybe seeing people giving out the deuces, saying shout out, it's nice, friendly. Saying that's so friendly to me. But yeah guys, it's hot. Middle of October. I'm sweating. How could this be? But there will not be any other days like this. This is the hottest day of the month. And after this, there's no more. After this, there is no more. It's my light. And then we get stuck in traffic, of course. But it has been fun. Trying to get in the fun of all this. It's very congested. Nice little spot, just finding a spot where you have no one around you and just ride. But there's a little too much traffic for that. You either have to like fight through it, like right here. You hear the popping sounds. I think oh, there's even bees. Oh, you see bees in October in Canada, man. I'm telling you, you never see that.